Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Mares Freediving Lanyard with quick snap release. So this is essential for most of freediving, especially competitive freediving. So if we start at this end, so very simple Velcro sort of wrist closure. So this goes around your wrist, you've got the Velcro. It's nice soft neoprene as well, so very comfortable, especially if you're not wearing a wetsuit. And then attached onto that, you have your quick release. I'll show you how that works in a second. Moving down, we have a little swivel that attaches to the main lanyard. So it's not going to get twisted and be annoying. It's got swivels at both ends, so it stays sort of nice and straight. If it needs to twist and turn, it's going to twist and turn itself. It has a stainless steel cable on the inside. It's wrapped up in this sort of yellow coating, which is going to protect it. Very, very strong, very reliable. Also means you don't have to worry about it rusting. Yellow, very quick and easy to see. You can see that in the water. Down at the other end of the cable, nice long cable as well, I should mention. You've got another swivel, so again, just stops it from twisting and turning. And then this attaches to the main wire gate carabiner. So this is going to clip onto the drop line, and very strong stainless steel, nice and heavy. There's got a good weight onto that. So you clip that off onto the line, and then you go down. If you need to make a quick escape, you've got this little toggle. Just pull on that, and that will quickly undo that cable. This is all stainless steel, very quick and easy, just to put that back on and sort of reset itself. So fantastic, it's an essential piece of kit for competitive freediving, keeping you attached to the line. This is the Mares Freediving Lanyard with snap release. Thanks for watching and safe diving.